law and order in this country. Senior officers here present, welcome you all to this landmark occasion, the commissioning of 40 Pantera armored personnel carriers, 3 MRAP armored personnel carriers, 4 Sino trucks anti-riot water cannons, and 3 anti-riot deployment barriers newly procured to bolster the operational might of the Nigerian police force. Out of the 40 armored personnel carriers we are commissioning today, 18 of them are already on deployment to high-threat areas. So what we have ground now, in case you want to count, is 22. This is not a routine commissioning. It's a strategic declaration. It is our clear response to the evolving threat landscape and a firm demonstration of this administration's resolve to reposition the Nigerian police force through the deliberate acquisition of mission-critical assets that enhance our readiness and resilience. These assets will be deployed strategically across all states of the Federation, including the Federal Capital Territory. The objective is clear: to increase our mobility, shield our officers, and reassure the Nigerian people of our unwavering ability to respond swiftly and decisively to threats. To this commissioning is one critical piece in a broader transformation agenda. We are committed to building a police force that is intelligence-led, technology-driven, and service-oriented, fit for the complexity of 21st century policing. This agenda is not aspirational, it is operational. I must express deep appreciation to His Excellency, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed TINUBU GCFR, for his visionary leadership and unflinching support for the reform and repositioning of the Nigerian police force. His confidence in us fuels our momentum. To our gallant officers and men, I charge you to swing into action. This operational equipment are shields of the people and symbols of national trust. Use them with discipline, with strategy, and with patriotic precision. Let me reaffirm that the safety and operational efficiency of our personnel remains central to our vision for a safer Nigeria. I extend sincere appreciation to everyone present here today, including our partners, suppliers, technical experts, and logistics teams whose dedication and expertise made this commissioning possible. Your commitment is not only noted, it is appreciated. Let it be known that the Nigerian police force is not retreating. We are not reactive, we are proactive. We are repositioning, reinforcing, and ready for the challenges ahead. These assets are not just machines, they are declarations of our purpose. And to those who threaten the peace of this country, our message is simple. We are coming for you strategically, swiftly, and without hesitation. Thank you all for coming to witness this commissioning. Together, we will build a stronger, safer Nigeria. Together, we move forward. Thank you once again. May God bless the Nigerian Police Force and the Federal Republic of Nigeria. This newly acquired operational assets for the Nigerian Police Force.